Today I will tell you about dense connective tissue, but before to tell you about dense connective tissue, I would like to tell you about the location of adipose tissue, about which I have forgotten to tell you in the previous video in the discussion of loose connective tissue. Location of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is found under skin, around internal organ, around eyeball, and in the medullary cavity of long bone. Now come on the discussion of dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue is also called fibrous connective tissue. Dense connective tissue is such a type of connective tissue wherein number of cells and amount of ground substance are less, but the amount of fiber are more. There are two types of dense connective tissue: dense regular connective tissue and dense irregular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue are those dense connective tissue where all the fibers and cells are arranged in parallel manner. Tendon and ligament are the two examples of dense regular connective tissue. There is a difference between tendon and ligament. Tendon is present between muscle and bone, connecting muscle to bone, whereas ligament is present between the two bone, connecting one bone to another bone. Tendon is white in color, ligament is yellow in color. Tendon having more collagen fiber, ligament having more elastin fiber. Tendon is non-elastic, ligament is elastic. Now come on dense irregular connective tissue. In dense irregular connective tissue, all the fibers and cells, meaning fibroblast, are arranged in criss-cross pattern. I mean to say, in dense irregular connective tissue, fibers and cells are arranged in haphazard random manner in all the direction, and that's why dense irregular connective tissue is having strength from all the direction. And since in dense regular connective tissue fibers and cells are arranged in parallel manner in only one direction, that is why dense regular connective tissue is having a strength from one direction only, but dense irregular connective tissue having a strength from all the direction. Dermis is the best example of dense irregular connective tissue. Dermis is such a part of body, such a part of skin which is used in making leather items. There are also some other example of dense irregular connective tissue like periosteum, perichondrium, and so on. Thanks now.